Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2013 Kenworth T370 we have for sale. It has a PX8 PACCAR engine, which is basically a Cummins engine. Allison transmission, 132,000 miles on it, right around 5,100 hours. It has an 11-foot Powfinger bed with a Powfinger PSC 7229 crane, which is a 12,005 pound max crane. Hydraulic outriggers. It's got a Vanair Air Arc 300 on it. Really nice California truck, so absolutely positively no rust on it whatsoever. One owner truck. It's a 33,000 pound GVWR, so that is CDL truck. Really nice truck. Probably one of the nicer service trucks we've had in quite some time, and usually these big trucks take a beating, but this one is very nice. This is my third time to attempt to do this video. My phone keeps overheating. I think it's time for a new phone. It ain't even hot outside today. Not hot for September 1st in Alabama. The truck had 3 remotes with it. This one works. I haven't even attempted to try those. This one does work, and I'm throwing those in anyways. So, hydraulic outriggers. They're hydraulic down and out, obviously, but out as well. $1,191 hours on the Vanair Air Arc. So here's your master switch, PTO. Has a backup camera that does work, radio works. Set my phone down just 1 second. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the basic functions on the crane, that everything works like it should. So we'll go up. mirrors down. Like I said, they're hydraulic in and out right here as well. It's locked in place. Light up front. Here's your rear air suspension and locking differential. Backup camera. All right, I'll cut this thing off. If you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to you. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what I'll do is put this thing on our dispatch board, and I'll say, somebody will call me and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York or Montana, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it as soon as you pay. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. We shipped this truck in from California. Just to give you an idea of what we paid $3,200 to have it shipped from California to Alabama. So that gives you an idea to work off of. You can call me and I can give you a exact quote with your zip code. If you decide to go the route of shipping, just know that we're a dispatcher. So I don't have, like I said, I don't have someone just sitting here ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. So especially on a big truck like this, sometimes it can take a little longer. So it took us, I think, about 2 weeks to get it shipped in from California. Just keep that in mind. You know, I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pick it up, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. And the only way anybody can tell you that is if you come pick it up yourself in person, which you are welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We've changed our business hours, so we're 9 to 4 now. I keep saying 7 to 4. 9 to 4, Monday through Friday only. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up trying to write me a regular check for this truck. I won't be able to sell it to you, and I don't want to do that. I want to sell it. So just keep that in mind. Wire transfer is the easiest way, safest way. So anyways, back to the truck. If you are interested, like I said, give me a call. This is a really nice truck. Probably one of the nicer service trucks we've had in quite some time. The bed is in fantastic shape. Just overall, I mean, you can tell the interior is just very, very nice. Whoever had this truck, they really took care of it. So yeah, give me a call. 256-310-6852. You can call or text. Thanks for watching.